This is Meteorologist Matthew East, and this is the Friday edition of the Carolina Weather Video here on December the 26th. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas holiday, and of course the Christmas weekend continues to unfold for us. A big shopping day and weekend coming up, and lots of changeable weather for us here in the Carolinas. Let me show you what's going on. First of all, on the radar imagery, we do have some showers this morning up in the mountains and on down into parts of Tennessee, Georgia, and South Carolina. And all of that is lifting generally off toward the northeast. So for the Piedmont regions today, we are going to see some showers pressing through from time to time. And one of our Carolina wedges setting itself up with cool temperatures. More on that in just a second. And by the way, up in the mountains, there are a few pockets that are below freezing. That's an image this morning from Charlie's Beach Camp up there in Beach Mountain. And there's just a few spots below freezing, so some pockets of freezing rain where those temps are below freezing up in the mountains this morning. Be aware if you're heading up there over the next couple of hours, could be some slick spots, but most spots, even up in the mountains, only seeing rain this morning. Another travel headache spot for you if you are heading up to the Great Lakes or the Midwestern states today. Another quick shot of wintry precip moving through that region. All right, there's temperatures across the lower 48. We're having a Carolina wedge event set itself up today. We're going to be looking at temperatures in the 40s in most Piedmont locations through the day for today. And it's going to be a day that features a lot of cloud cover and that chance of showers from time to time. Here you are off of the GFS model, the 6C run. This is valid 1 o'clock this afternoon. You can clearly see that high pressure nosing down the eastern side of the mountains. Classic cold air damming configuration or a wedge configuration. A lot of cloud cover today, and that chance of showers, temperatures in the 40s in most spots. Now tonight we'll see drizzle and fog settle in. That fog will probably be pretty dense in spots, so if you're heading anywhere early tomorrow, be aware there'll be some pretty low visibilities in spots, but I think the wedge will gradually scour out tomorrow as we get into more of the southwesterly flow ahead of our next storm system, and it should be a milder day. I think many Piedmont spots up into the lower 60s for highs tomorrow afternoon. If we look ahead to Sunday, here comes that next storm system moving our way. That front approaching the mountains. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I think we're dry Sunday morning, but as we get into the afternoon and then the evening, that chance of showers will spread on through. I don't think this is a severe weather problem for us. Just the main dynamics way off to our north, so some showers later Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. That system is gone by Monday. This is 1 o'clock Monday. We'll see a lot of sunshine build in. And Tuesday's weather also very, very quiet. That's 1 Tuesday afternoon, 1 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. Now, toward the end of next week, that's when our next system should begin to approach. Now, the timing is different amongst the models, but again, this is off the GFS. This is 1 o'clock Wednesday. We have a cold front move through. That'll begin to push in some of this chillier air off to our north. So that front moves through pretty quiet fashion Wednesday there on New Year's Eve. And there we are. This is 7 o'clock in the morning Friday, the 2nd of January. And we have that sort of diffuse low pressure moving through the southeastern part of the country. There's your 0-degree line up at 5,000 feet. And the earlier run of the GFS actually showed a chance for some freezing rain potential in the Piedmont, but that's probably a stretch. We'll watch that and see if that does come to fruition, but generally looks like at this point a rain chance to end next week, but we'll keep an eye on it. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a wonderful holiday weekend, and God bless.